Hello everyone, my name is Padar. I would like to introduce you very nice course about tense. How English tense is going to help you to build up your English communication, how well you can speak up. So I would like to draw your attention towards this session. This is a live training class that I am conducting here. So first of all, before we go for the tense, I would like to draw your attention about this four skills. You can notice that four skills, that LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So we need to give high priority to our listening, speaking and reading and writing. Every day we have to listen English speech and English contest so that we can really listen and understand about it. And the second one is that we have to speak something or the other. We have to read something or the other, any paragraph, any book you like, write anything you like. So maybe your best of sentences, you can pick a few words and you can create examples, you can short note, short diary, journal, anything, fine. So after that I would like to tell you about tenses. So what generally the tenses all about it, instead of drawing your attention towards grammatical rules and regulations, I would like to tell you in a very specific and simplest way. The in the tense, first what all we are going to learn, so when how tense is going to give us the benefit. One is sentence structures, second one situations, so there will be a lot of situation that we can create. I also will come across in tense and we can speak up. And let's look at this one. This is a grammar section. So in tense also we can find the grammar and also vocabulary. So these are the best benefit of English tenses, right? So now we can understand how tense is going to help us. Tense will definitely help us to improve our fluency and accuracy. Here I would like to tell you about the few things about the tenses. Okay, the first part, to understand tense we need to understand time plus action. Nothing, just time plus action. So what are the times? Time is, we have present, past and future time, universally acceptable. And action means present verb, past participle verb and present participle verb. No doubt this is grammatical terminology, but the things should be very clear for you here. So v1, v2, v3, v4, very shortcut note, fine. It means go, went, gone, going, goes, right? See, saw, seeing, seeing, take, took, taking, taking, these all part of our actions. This is known as actions, fine. So now we need to understand one more part of it, that is situations. Let me draw your attention how well you can speak English without any grammatical rules and all, but you can definitely learn grammar silently. I would like to tell you about a case. Now this is a situation. Silu has recently been appointed in a new job. He has got new working hours and now he has to report his boss about his new habitual activities, from good morning to good night. So this is a situation that you can take up and you have to prepare a note for Silu. For example, Silu's daily routine. As he is going to report his boss, so we have to create one action table and timetable. And here it is, action is supposing that wake up. The time is what time? He wake up at 5:30 a.m. So this is one area we have to create it. As Silu is our third person singular, it's all about he, she, it. We have to add on in present verb as, es, is, and we have to create v5 form. This is only a code. V5 means uh, Silu gets up. So we have to Silu gets up. So this is the task I'm giving you, and I want you to follow this note and try to make a habitual routine of Silu. So what the structure you can use here? Use here subject plus v5 plus object or complement. For example, Silu gets up early in the morning and freshens himself up and gets ready for office work. He takes his breakfast at 7:30 and rides to the office. So in this way you have to continue Silu's habitual actions, is repeated action and regular action, with the help of this note. And here there will be a few time expressions. I would definitely recommend you to add on when you are going to create the situation for Silu to speak and write a note about habitual action. These are your daily, everyday, once in a day, week, all times, many a time, many times, sometimes, at times, mostly, often, very often, usually, generally, frequently, repeatedly, always, most of the time, every now and then, occasionally, once in a while, once in a blue moon. Let me tell you about it. Once in a blue moon means Eid ka chand, kabhi kabar, fine. Occasionally means sometimes, once in a while also occasionally, every now and then means again and again, most of the time and many a times. Okay. And here always that we have high frequency of time. Here sometime means less frequency, sometimes in many frequency, at times also is a part of sometimes. So in this way, at the time of creating the habitual action of silus, I want you to use this time expression. And there are negative time expression where you are not allowed to use negative sentence. Rather you have to use adverb of time. These are hardly, barely, rarely, seldom, scarcely, and never. Always remember one part: whenever you are using hardly, barely, rarely, seldom, scarcely, never, put them in after the subject and create a sentence. And you are recommended not to use the negative form like Silu hardly gets up at 4 o'clock, right? So it means Silu doesn't get up at 4 o'clock. So in this way we have to take the negative time expression. So this is idea that I want to share with you, and I want you to follow this case, and please help Silu to create your habitual action. Best part of it, when you find that you are able to make this habitual action for Silu, you can find that you are able to use simple present tense with the help of structures and also time expressions that I have shared with you here. And the beauty of these time expressions is all about how you can effectively create clarity of thoughts and also accuracy in grammar. This is the beauty of these all things. Hope you like these sessions, and I think you will definitely create your situations and use the structures and use this one effectively. So from next video you will definitely get the solution of it. I will share with you step by step how you can utilize the tense for your speaking and how you can improve your communication skill effectively. Thank you, all the best. Once again, my name is Padar. My phone number is here and Mainstay Abroad is our website. Wish you all the best.